Forget those whispers you've heard about silver discounts. The real story is a massive supply crisis that almost no one is talking about. For 5 straight years, the world has used far more silver than it has mined. This has created a cumulative shortfall of roughly 820 million ounces, pushing inventories to their lowest levels in decades. Right now, relentless industrial demand is crashing into a supply chain that's already at its breaking point. This isn't just a minor blip on the radar. It's a fundamental repricing of silver. Think of a coiled spring that's been compressed for years and is finally about to snap back with incredible force. So, what's lighting this fuse? The demand for silver has been completely rewritten by 2 major forces: green technology and artificial intelligence. Silver has gone from being a side dish for industry to the absolute main course. To put it in perspective, in just a decade, solar power's share of industrial silver demand has exploded from 11% to 29%. Electric vehicles use up to 79% more silver than traditional gas-powered cars. And the explosive growth of AI data centers requires huge amounts of it for their components. Trying to build these industries without silver is like trying to bake a cake without flour. There are simply no viable substitutes that can do the job. This ferocious, unstoppable demand is slamming head-on into an incredibly fragile supply. Global mine production has been flat for years, with no easy way to just ramp it up. But the real game changer here is China. China has been systematically tightening its grip on exports, treating silver as a critical strategic material to secure for its own growing industries. This policy is putting a major chokehold on the rest of the world's supply. The market is quickly turning into a high-stakes game of musical chairs, with less physical silver available for everyone else each round. As this physical squeeze intensified in the past, we saw prices surge past $90 an ounce, with some spikes even temporarily topping $120. So you have a persistent deficit, you have insatiable demand from new technologies, and you have a major supply shock from a global power. Is the current price a temporary discount, or is it a serious warning sign of what's to come? I'd love to know your thoughts, so let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of these powerful market shifts, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. The days of viewing silver as just a shiny metal are long gone. It's now a strategic asset, absolutely vital to the defining technologies of our future. The disconnect between the paper price and the reality of physical scarcity is becoming more and more apparent every single day. That so-called discount is the paper price. And it's like having a coupon for a loaf of bread when the store shelves are already nearly empty. Soon, it won't matter what the coupon says. The real value will be in who actually has the bread. The trillion-dollar shift isn't coming. It's happening right now. The price tag on silver has been wrong for years, and the market is finally reaching for the pricing gun. Stay sharp.